I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the virtual mix rack on vocals. First, open your digital audio workstation and insert the virtual mix rack plugin onto your vocal track. This powerful tool allows you to build a custom processing chain using various modules. You can drag and drop different processors, like compressors and EQs, into the rack to start shaping your vocal sound immediately. Experiment with the order of your modules for different sonic results. For a strong vocal foundation, begin with a preamplifier module, like the FG73, to impart analog warmth and subtle saturation. Next, introduce a compressor, such as the FG116, to manage dynamic range, aiming for about 3 to 6 decibels of gain reduction on the loudest parts. Follow this with an equalizer, like the FGN, to boost desirable frequencies, perhaps around 3 kHz for presence, and cut any harshness. To refine your vocal, integrate a de-esser module to tame any overly harsh S or T sounds, typically setting the threshold around -20 decibels. Then, introduce a saturator, like the FG Bomber, to add harmonic richness and make the vocal feel more present in the mix. Finally, a touch of reverb or delay, perhaps with a pre-delay of 50 milliseconds, can create a sense of space without washing out the lead vocal. When building your vocal chain, always pay close attention to gain staging between each module to avoid unwanted clipping or noise. Listen to your processed vocal in the context of the entire mix to ensure it sits well and doesn't compete with other instruments. Regularly, /B test your changes by bypassing and re-engaging the virtual mix rack to objectively assess if your adjustments are truly improving the vocal sound. Trust your ears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.